What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I just got home last night, washed the car this morning, and I noticed the engine bay looks like trash. I need to polish it, I need to get everything cleaned up. You guys might want to check it out. Also, throw on some carbon fiber bits. And for those of you that are new to the channel, this is my RB26, has some Greddy intake, Greddy Suction Kit, Cusco strut bar, All-Tech catch can, Garage Defend knockoff carbon fiber cooling panel, carbon fiber grill, Tomei oil cap, and a Blitz radiator cap, Greddy relocation kit. So I got a lot of stuff to do. This engine bay, I'll put a picture on the screen of what it used to look like, but now it's come a long way, but it still has a long way to go. So I'm just gonna, today we're gonna clean up, you know, all this mess that's been sitting for 7 months. So we're gonna clean up everything and then install a new fuse panel cover that I got in carbon fiber. The washer fluid reservoir will be the next to get upgraded. But the car looks pretty good. Don't worry about this little HID ballast there. I don't know what's going on with it, why it's there. Normally it's tucked away down inside, but I guess I must have been messing with it right before I left. So to clean all this stuff, we're going to use Mother's Mag Polish. You can see all the piping just looks super crappy. Water spots, just dull, just not looking clean. Wipe everything down, polish up that carbon fiber, make it all look good again. Just a little bit of effort, really cleaning it all up. Got some shine back in the aluminum. Clean up all the paint. Got the Tomei looking crisp again. Still need to. Oh, Ego 10. I missed it. Still need to polish up the carbon fiber. I'll probably do that off camera. But check this out. So while I was gone, ordered some other stuff. Pretty excited. Just a simple little mod here, or simple little addition. Carbon fiber fuse panel cover. You can see how trashy this one looks. Just doesn't look all that good. So let's pop it off. And there you go. Installed. Oh man. It's like carbon fiber. It shows everywhere. Like I said before, these two tanks will be replaced eventually. This is going to either be replaced with a polished one or powder coated white to match the white of the bay on the engine. I don't know. Should look good. It's got a long way to go. Like this hose is going to be replaced with a black one. All these boost lines are going to be replaced with black ones. Mouse. Yeah, it's a nice little addition. Let's get in there, nice and clean. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. I know it was short. I'm so sweaty. It's like 1,000 degrees here and like 6,000% humidity. But hope you enjoyed the video. It was just something small I was doing. Just want to keep you guys, you know, hanging out with me. So nice to be back. I missed all y'all. But like, comment, as always. See you next time.